so far, this is the first storm that was affecting the East Coast. But remember, we are right in the peak of the hurricane season. We'll check that out for you in just a second. Let's get going outside. Live Megalopolis 7000 HD. Been a beautiful day in Southern California. Get the fire weather real quickly for you. It's 89 degrees out in that area. Wind has been a little bit of a problem out of the south, 6 to 14, gusts to 20. Humidity, of course, very low at 16%. We've had a wonderful summer, and notice we haven't had any fires. But once the air gets dry and the sun comes out, things can happen. All right, here's looking at the downtown today. Boy, what a shot. Some alto cumulus clouds rolling by. These are from an old tropical storm to the southwest of us. Right now, those skies are clear downtown LA. And our temperatures are quite wonderful, I think, but they're not going to last very long. It's 88 degrees at Van Nuys right now. This time tomorrow afternoon, they'll be about 92 degrees. And many areas in Southern California are going to be over 100 as we make our way in through the week. Robert, look at that shot there. I like that one. Chino Hills. That looks like a little piece of heaven, does it? Thank you, Robert, for that shot. All right, let's go down and check out Hurricane Irene. The eye of the storm now is over the open water, so it should increase intensity as it makes its way across just north of Haiti and Hispaniola. So that's the good news. It's going to track in this position through the Bahamas. Now, the water temperatures out here are very, very warm, over 90 degrees. Of the water temperature. It's hard to believe here in Southern California, if you grew up in Southern California thinking of the water being 90 degrees, but that's why they have all the hurricanes back there. This storm will increase in intensity and more than likely become a Category 3 storm. But good news tonight, our latest models runs now trying to miss Florida with this storm, and it would end up coming in over the Carolinas. That would be sometime probably Friday afternoon with some strong winds. Two big circulations to look at. There's our old dying tropical cyclone out there, and that's blowing up the clouds today, made for a beautiful sunset last night. But the big news is this high-pressure dome, which is located right here over Texas. That thing's trying to squeeze us a little bit, getting a little closer. You could feel the heat this afternoon out there in Palm Springs, and some of that heat's going to make it into Southern California this week. So, again, we're close to the end of summertime, but looks like for us, summer's just going to kind of just getting started. Santa Clarita tomorrow, for heaven's sakes. Drink plenty of water. Try to stay cool for our friends up there at 100. 99 out in the valleys at Northridge. 88 degrees at Anaheim tomorrow. 96 at Ontario. Still pretty cool on the coastline. But I do think the beach folks are going to see not very much in the way of low clouds and fog. So this is going to be a good-looking week if you can head down to the beach. Temperatures rising into the upper 80s. I think Thursday, Friday, and Saturday may be the hottest days. And there are those valley temperatures. They are impressive starting tomorrow, and then a real boom of over 100-degree temperatures as we head toward the weekend. So we will continue to monitor this situation for you, give you the latest on the fire weather, and of course, Irene will watch that too. Back to you.
Thank you, Dallas.
All right.
And